Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. There are few foods that instantly evoke the feeling of home for a Filipino, quite like Pandesal. This isn't just a simple bread roll, it is the comforting staple that defines mornings across the archipelago. Imagine waking up to the gentle aroma of freshly baked goods mixing with the morning air. That smell signals that the panaderia, bakery, has opened its doors. Pandesal is often called the unofficial national bread of the Philippines. It's a soft, slightly sweet yeast roll distinguished by its coating of fine breadcrumbs. This combination makes the outside subtly crisp while the inside remains airy and pillowy. It carries a deeply nostalgic quality, linking generations through shared breakfast tables and early morning routines. The story behind Pandesal: what makes this simple bread the heart of Filipino culture? Understanding Pandesal means understanding a piece of Philippine history and daily life. It is intrinsically tied to community and routine. This simple bread manages to hold such a central place because it is accessible, traditional, and delicious when served properly. What does Pandesal even mean? The name Pandesal comes from the Spanish phrase pan de sal, which translates directly to salt bread. This linguistic connection highlights the country's colonial history. Originally, during the Spanish colonial era, the bread was likely saltier or at least less sugary than the version we know today. The modern Pandesal, however, carries an amusing irony. It is distinctly sweet, often having a higher sugar content than many Western dinner rolls. This shift from truly salt bread to sweet morning bread happened over time, adapting to local tastes and ingredient availability. Yet the original Spanish name remains, a subtle reminder of the bread's long evolution. The golden rule: why Pandesal is best eaten while still hot. Filipinos know that Pandesal offers the best experience when it is fresh from the oven, still radiating warmth. This tradition has created the custom of the early morning bakery run. People often line up at local bakeries right as they open, usually between 4 a.m. and 6 a.m. This ensures they get rolls that are still warm and irresistibly fluffy. This morning ritual is deeply rooted in local communities. The panaderia acts as a central gathering point, if only briefly, before the day officially starts. Buying Pandesal hot means the outer breadcrumbs maintain their light crispness before the interior softness takes over. It is a moment of communal quiet, celebrated with paper bags full of fragrant, steaming rolls. Buying hot Pandesal isn't a preference, it's the standard. Decoding the magic: why Pandesal tastes so unique. Pandesal's success lies in its perfect balance of textures and flavors. It manages to be remarkably plain yet profoundly satisfying. The secret isn't just in the ingredients, it is in the specific techniques used for mixing and shaping the dough. Simple ingredients, delicious results. What's in the dough? The ingredient list for Pandesal is wonderfully straightforward. You need basic elements found in most bread recipes. Flour, usually a mixture of all-purpose and some bread flour for structure. Yeast, for rise and flavor. Sugar, often a generous amount, contributing to the sweetness. Salt, to balance the yeast and sugar. Water or milk, to bring the dough together. The crucial difference compared to other hard rolls is the sugar level. While it retains the soft texture of a dinner roll, Pandesal embraces sweetness. This higher sugar content not only contributes to the flavor but also helps result in that incredibly soft, tender crumb after baking. The simple, non-enriched dough avoids complexities like egg yolks or massive amounts of butter, keeping the texture light and the flavor clean. From its Spanish origins to its place at every Filipino breakfast table, Pandesal remains a timeless favorite. But there's more to discover, from how it's made to the unique twists it has taken through the years. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.